In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Clipchamp. Now, this works very well for green, white, and black backgrounds, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that. Now, let's first start with a green background, where you simply click on the video with a green background on your timeline, go to Effects, and then over here, try to find the green screen effect. And once you click on it, it's been applied. You can also change the threshold if you want to, but it's usually good as it is primarily. And you can also change the color from green to any other. So here, as you can see, are also red and blue, but the green is usually the standard for the green screen videos, okay? Now, this is how you remove green screen. The next one we've got is black screen. Now, this one is also very simple. All you have to do is go over here, again, under the effects, and then you try to find black/white removal, okay? So you click on this, and as you can see, I just have selected black removal, okay? You can alter between black and white, which we're going to do with this image over here. And then right now, you can play with the color threshold again, but since I've got no background at the moment, it's still black because it's the default background color of the Clipchamp project, but the background has been removed, I can assure you that. Now, the third one is the white color. So once you're in here, again, you find your white color background video, you go under Effects, and then you find the black/white removal again, and then select white. And as you can see, all the white has been removed, and you can play with the color threshold as well, as much as you want to. And as you can see, we've removed backgrounds of all three colors, and that's how you do it the easiest way.